Hello and welcome to another episode of The Naked Turner. Today I'm out here in my shop and I'm getting ready to turn a plate for a friend of mine who I've made him a few wooden plates in the past. He's an old mentor of mine and friend of my parents. Grew up with him. He was one of the first people to give me a job, help me learn how to drive a car, and is just an all-around very interesting, fun, good person. Always trying new things, never afraid to go out and try something new. Anyway, he's a dear friend of mine. He asked me to turn him a wooden plate because after I made him wooden plates, he says all he does is eat off of wooden plates now. And that way, they're just really nice to eat off of. You take them to the sink, rinse them off, and you're good to go. So apparently, one of his wooden plates went missing. If anyone out there knows where it is, or if it just disappeared into the one sock pile somewhere in the universe, maybe try to get it back to him. And if not, that's okay, because guess what? I'm going to make him a new walnut plate. So here's this chunk of walnut. This is a 1 1/8 inch piece that is a 10 3/4 inches across. I'll probably end up with about a 10.5 inch plate. And it'll have a nice lip on it and then be narrowed down. It's pretty much a traditional plate, but there's the beginnings of it. Oh, and this is a completely dry piece of walnut that I have had for over 7 years now, sitting here in dry storage in my shop. All right, I got my safety gear on, got my lung protection and eye protection on. Nice and balanced. All right, so now I'm gonna do, yeah, I'll do a little bit of sanding and some finishing on this and flip it around and hollow out the other side of the plate. Okay, so I'm putting some Yorkshire grit on here. There we go. Move it around on here a little bit first. All right, and now turning down nice and slow. Okay, so now I have this sanded and Yorkshire gritted, and now I am going to be applying some shine. Now I'll be applying some shine juice. And a little bit of extra oil with this particular plate because it's going to take up some extra oil, and some more shine juice. All right, and now spinning reverse. And forward gear. All right, there it is. Let's take this off. Whew. A little hot today. All right, and that is a done piece. All right, so thanks for watching this episode of the Naked Turner. If you enjoyed this piece, give me a thumbs up and share. Leave a comment. If you're not a subscriber, become a subscriber if you so choose. I do have a lot of interesting videos on my channel, and if you haven't checked them out, by all means, check in on my channel. Like I said, give me a shout out, give me a thumbs up, a like, a share. Anything to help keep my channel going would be greatly appreciated.